Hi, this is John with Flat 6 Motorsports, and today we're taking a look at the Soul Performance competition exhaust for this 997 Turbo. Soul Performance is a Pennsylvania-based manufacturer that makes high-quality exhaust systems for Porsche vehicles along with some others. This particular system is their competition version, which is a free-flowing design, provides very good flow characteristics, very aggressive sounds, saves about 16 pounds off the back of the car as well. High-quality stainless steel construction. So, let's hear what it sounds like. So I hope you enjoyed this video of this Soul Performance competition exhaust for the 997 Turbo. If you're interested in this particular system, it's available at flat6motorsports.com, where we also have a wide variety of other exhaust systems. Make sure to check out our exhaust videos below. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Thanks for watching.